Hello friends! Today we're working on our Ocean Sampler Quilt Kit by Krysalis Studios, designed here in Silicon Valley. And today we're focusing on the Pinwheel Echoes block, which is made of 4 identical units that are right triangles that are sewn together to form a square. This block comes from the Ocean Sampler Quilt Kit from chrysalisstudio.com. Now all the pattern pieces printed on the fabric are completely calculated and measured, including your seam allowance. So all you have to do is cut them out on the straight line. And as you can see, there's a slight bit of bowing, which is completely natural with the printing process. You just give it a little tug and do your best to trim off all the white. Now I'm organizing all the pieces from dark to light. You should have 4 of each. So start with the 2 lightest colored pieces, and we're going to line them up along the right angle and then sew them together. So after sewing, I like to finger press it open and then grab the next piece, which is the next lightest piece, and I'm lining them up by the 90-degree end of the piece. So again, I finger press it open and then I grab the next piece in line, and I'm going to line it up by that 90-degree corner and sew. Now we move to the next piece. As you can see, they're getting shorter. Finger press it and trim it. And all those little dog ears will need to be trimmed at the end. Now we're doing the last piece for this unit that completes the triangle. And here's our first unit. Now we repeat this process 3 more times. And remember to press each unit. And that's our block layout. Now I'm trimming all the dog ears off. Now we sew the right triangles together to form the square. And I press the seams open, as you can see. Here's the finished product. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn how to make the other 8 blocks in this kit of 9, it's called the Ocean Sampler by Krysalis Studio. It's available at chrysalisstudio.com. See you later. Bye.